All right, what's up, YouTube? We are going to replace this entryway bench in my house. As you can see here, this is sloppily. My daughter's shoes are all over the place, and this is outgrown. So the lady of the house said she would like something different. So I'm going to go to the wood shop here and replace this. I already did the measurements. We're about 40 inches wide with about, I think about 36 inches high. But I'll go over that and redo it. But we're going to take this out to the garage. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. And here we are to the wood shop. We made it, ladies and gentlemen, to the wood shop. So we're gonna cut, I have 2x6s right here, two 2x6s, if you can see here. We have two 2x6s. We're gonna cut this and 40 inch wide. This is gonna be 40 inches wide. We're gonna cut this 40 inches wide or long, whatever here. But it's gonna be the width of the table. 40 here, I have another piece here, 40. Actually, I already have the markers here, as you can see. Let's move this up. There's a line there. There's a line there, already marked, so that's my 40. That's gonna go on the top. I'm gonna use this bench right here, this long piece of wood here. This is gonna be the side, so I cut this down. And we're gonna cut a smaller piece with this 2x4 to kind of make it look a little fancy. I got this design plan from 731 Woodworks. He has a video making the same bench that I'm gonna make. I like the design of it, so I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the same thing as well. So stand by, and here we go. All right, YouTube, we got the top of the bench already complete. As you can see here, we have, this is not even together, but we have the 3 pieces right here, 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be the top here, and I'm gonna put this down for just to support. I guess I could drill pocket holes in to support, keep this all together, but I guess I'm gonna cheat right now. Like I said, I got this from 731 Woodworks. He did it with the pocket holes, but I'm gonna do it with this. This is an alternative to the pocket holes. I do have the Craig bit, but I just don't feel like pulling with that. So I'm just gonna drill 3 screws in here and drill 3 there. I got some a few screws left over. Just what size is this? This is 1 5/8. So just 1 5/8. Just gonna drill down in here and get going. All right. Okay, YouTube, and here is the final results. We have the entryway bench here. I did a nice little stain on it. As you can see, this is natural lighting. What do y'all think? Pretty nice. What I messed up on was this was too wide. I did not measure the depth of what the bench should be. And so it sticks out past the wall here. Just a slight bit, I guess roughly 6 inches. But let me know, would you guys keep that there? Or would you not? Would you delete it? I mean, it's not deleted. Would you redo another bench, which is what my wife wants. She wants me to redo another one with the correct measurement of the depth. If you remember in the video, I measured 40 inches across, which I said was 40 inches wide, which is actually 40 inches long. And the height was 36 inches. So 36 inches tall, 40 inches across. So 40 inches long, but the depth, the width of this, which is roughly about 16 inches, I believe. I did not measure that initially when I took measurements of this, this one right here, which is, you know, I didn't do that here to make sure that it was flush with the wall here, or with this wall here. So this sticks out a little bit more. So whatever, but it's still a nice bench. It's sturdy. It ain't going nowhere, but I'm gonna put this back in the garage. Maybe I can see who wants it, maybe sell it online for a little small price and see what somebody wants, if somebody wants it. But it's very nice. I love it. I'm happy the way it turned out. This is my first one I've ever done, ever attempted to do. I got this idea from 731 Woodworks, so go follow him. But that's it. See you later.